I literally just found like the cheat code to not spending hours and hours on lesson plans. Pew. Mind blown. Did you all get that? The mind blown. Quick disclaimer before we get into this video. This video is for you if you are looking to create a custom curriculum for your child that you're making yourself. If you are looking for like a done for you, everything's ready, you don't have to do any work at all, then this isn't for you. But I do highly recommend Time for Learning if you're looking for something that's just ready and go. We actually used Time for Learning all last year. The kids enjoyed it, but they missed me actually like teaching, and they didn't really want to just like go on the computer and doing work. And honestly, I missed it too. So I went back to making our curriculum this year, and I'm so happy because I was able to use ChatGPT, which made the lesson planning so easy. So if you're not familiar with ChatGPT, then don't worry. I am going to show you exactly how to use it and break it down for you. Now, the magic is in the prompts. The more detailed we are in telling Chat what we want from it, the more you're going to get out of it when it comes to getting your lessons, activities, and everything that you need. Now, they do have a free plan you can use, or you can pay $20 a month. I personally recommend paying the $20. It's 100% worth it, even if you just use it for a couple months to get all of your lessons mapped out for the year and then you don't want to pay for it anymore. That's fine. Now, you can use the free plan and it will still give you all of the information that you need, but it does limit you to how many things that you can ask for. And on a lot of these prompts, you are going to be as detailed as possible, and sometimes you're asking it to refine. And if you're not on the paid plan, it's going to tell you very quickly you can't use it anymore for a few hours, and then you will have to wait. If you are planning on using it for lesson planning, I highly recommend just paying the $20 and using it to its fullest extent. So let me give you an example of how you would get started with using it. Let's say my 5th grader is struggling with fractions. I am going to tell ChatGPT exactly what I need. Create a 1-week lesson plan for a 5th grader who is struggling to understand fractions. Include daily 30-minute lessons, real-life examples, a short practice section for each day, and fun hands-on activities. Now watch what happens. And just like that, it gives me a full week of fraction lessons. Now, this is cool, but I want to be as detailed as possible. This is customized for my kid. So I'm going to do a follow-up prompt that says, rewrite the lesson plan to fit a hands-on learner who needs movement and real-world connections. And within seconds, it's going to adjust that entire lesson plan to be more tailored towards your child. Now, I can customize this even more. I can say I only want it for 4 days a week. I could say I want it for every 7 days. Customize it to your school schedule, however many days you move it. But once you have it locked in on like, this looks good, this is the curriculum I'm going to use, then you can even start asking it for extras. And a lot of times it will just offer it to you. But for now, I'm just going to give it this prompt. Create a short 5-question quiz to check understanding at the end of the week with an answer key. And there you go. I have a full week's worth of lessons and an assessment at the end to evaluate if we need to work on this a little bit more or if they got it. I did this for multiple subjects for the whole school year. I just broke it down month by month instead of week by week. Now, this did take a little bit of time, but I'm telling you, compared to what I used to do, it was nothing because it generates it for me. And all I'm doing is refining my prompts to get exactly what I need from it. I got a full lesson plan broken down day by day of exactly what they're going to be doing. We do 4-day week, Monday through Thursday. I know exactly what we're going to be doing. We start school September 1st. Now all I have to do is go through and make sure that I have any worksheets, resources, anything that it recommended, that have everything pulled and ready together so that I can complete our days, which makes this so much easier for me because now I'm just collecting resources. Now, anything extra, if there's like a video, I can ask ChatGPT to show me a video for whatever topic we may be covering. So I use ChatGPT to make anything that is going to take me a tediously long, is that even a word? Anything that's going to be long and tedious, I'm going to use Chat. Now, here are some tips for getting the best results when you're using ChatGPT. Number 1, be super specific with your prompts, including grade level, the time, the days, the learning style, All of this is super important in creating a custom curriculum that's going to fit your child or your children. Use follow-up questions to tweak the plan until it's perfect. Just keep asking, keep asking. If you don't like a lesson, have it revise it and come up with a different lesson until you get it exactly how you want it. Save your favorite prompts. Once you get those perfect prompts of exactly what you wanted and set it the exact way you needed it, save those. So next time you go to lesson plan or come up with an activity, you don't have to do so many revision posts. You have like a good, strong prompt that you can use. That's how I use ChatGPT to make my lessons so much easier and honestly so much more fun, because I get to focus on like collecting resources and being more creative instead of just like the tedious parts of figuring out exactly what we're going to learn. If you try this, let me know in the comments. And if you want my free list of ready to use ChatGPT prompts that I've used, the link is down below in the description. As always, thank you so much for watching. To hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next week.